Unboxing CareWin Dust Mite Vacuum. User manual with HEPA filter cleaning brush. Feeling itchy, scratching while sleeping, sneezing, and sometimes itchy eye. Now let's target the cause tilde. This is what happens. Millions of almost invisible small tiny dust mites sleep with you every night. Unaware of the danger, you might inhale them, which may cause various bodily itch and rashes. Our CareWin Dust Mite Vacuum equipped with Philips UVC lamp that takes away 99.9% of the bacteria and allergens within 1 second. 3600 RPM powerful vibration pad eliminates embedding dust mites and fine dusts. HEPA filter and filter container. HEPA filter 0.3 filtering can filter microscopic dust and also clean the air. Sterilization, vibration, and suction. Select function.
Wow, so powerful.
Get it now to clear the dust mite in your house. Call 601-248-73133 to order. And thanks for watching.